Good morning, everybody. My name is Charlie Brown. I work on the market intelligence desk here at NASDAQ, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome Horizon Bancorp to not only New York, to the opening bell, and to today's market open ceremony. I'd now like to introduce David Wicks, Vice President of Listings, to say a few more words about the company. David.
Thank you, John. Thank you, everyone. So good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. Did everyone come in early, I hope, and enjoy the city a little this weekend? Yeah? Awesome. So it is truly my great pleasure to welcome Horizon Bancorp and Chairman and CEO Craig Dwight. I was like, yeah, we'll give a round of applause. So I have a theory, and the louder and the more we clap and cheer, the more the stock goes up, except today. But that's topic for a separate conversation. But I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to the members of the management team and all our distinguished guests to NASDAQ. We're excited you could all join us right here, all the way from Michigan City, Indiana, to the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's opening bell. Now, I hope everyone agrees there's a lot to celebrate today. I like to start each ceremony with a big round of applause. What do you all think? One more big one. Let's kick it off. Horizon Bancorp is the bank holding company for Horizon Bank that provides commercial and retail banking services in northern and central regions of Indiana, as well as southern, central, and Great Lakes Bay regions of Michigan. The emerging regional bank was founded in 1873. That's almost 150 years ago, and has been listed on NASDAQ for almost 20 years. Today, the bank maintains a total of 76 locations in 31 counties. Since 2002, Horizon has successfully completed 11 organic expansions and 14 mergers and acquisitions, which has resulted in record earnings for 2018, with total assets surpassing $4.2 billion. But moreover, the company recently announced a record 2019 second quarter with total assets surpassing $5 billion. And together, we've watched the company grow from a market cap of just $45 million on its first trade date back in 2001 to a market cap approaching $800 million today. So truly outstanding performance. And Craig, I know that this is definitely a team effort, and I do want to congratulate you and everyone at the company on all your past success. NASDAQ truly looks forward to supporting Horizon Bancorp as you continue to grow and continue to innovate as a NASDAQ-listed company. And now please join me in welcoming your Chairman and CEO, Craig Dwight. Craig, come on up.
Good morning. We are thrilled to be here in New York City's Times Square, the crossroads of the world, and thank you for NASDAQ being a gracious host and allowing us to hit the opening bell this morning. Horizon's first day of trading, I recall well, on December 20th, 2001, when total shares traded were about 16,000. Our closing price was $2.73. Over that 17-and-a-half-year time span, we had a 615% total shareholder return. Horizon recently reported record earnings through June 30th, 2019. We also announced in June a 19% increase in our dividend and a 5% stock repurchase plan. Horizon continues to deliver shareholder value. We are proudly headquartered in Michigan City, Indiana, and we have 76 offices throughout the states of Michigan and Indiana. Today, it's an honor to represent Horizon Board of Directors and our employees as we celebrate our 146th anniversary, surpassing $5 billion in total assets and record year-to-date earnings. Horizon's success is an outstanding team of experienced bankers who get the job done day in and day out. They continue to look for new opportunities. We had 14 bank acquisitions the last 17 years and 11 new market extensions, all by hiring local and seasoned bankers. Our ongoing success cannot be accomplished without the hard work and creativity of our team. This success is based on our core philosophy of people first and treating everyone with respect, dignity, and fairness. Joining me today is our Horizon senior management team who completed these results throughout the 17 years. Very proud of them, and they represent our entire company. Thank you.
That is for you. So Craig, first of all, thank you for being our partner.
Delighted to.
And I think when you look at Horizon Bancorp and you see what you've accomplished since your IPO is the reason that we exist. So we couldn't be more proud of our partnership and helping you grow and be the engine of American capitalism. So on behalf of our team, I'm proud to present you and your team with our opening bell crystal.
It's been a great partnership. Thank you.
Congratulations.